things that left all Pokemon players disappointed. Back in the year 2000, Pokemon Gold, Silver, and Crystal introduced a mysterious place called the Ruins of Alph, and inside, players discovered Unown, strange Pokemon shaped like letters of the alphabet. So at first, fans thought it was a fun little side quest. However, they soon realized there were not just a few of these Pokemon, there were actually 26, one for every single letter. But catching all of them was far more complicated than anyone expected. You see, to even unlock different groups of Unown, players had to solve sliding puzzles hidden deep in the ruins. The Kabuto puzzle opened up the first set of letters, while the other puzzles unlocked more chambers, each holding different forms. And only after solving every single puzzle did the full alphabet become available. But even then, finding the exact letters you needed was another nightmare. The thing is, Unown encounters were random, which meant players could run into the same forms over and over while still missing just one. So for many, this turned into hours of repetitive grinding in the ruins, desperately hoping the right Unown would finally show up. But after pushing through all that frustration, players were sure the game had something incredible waiting at the end. What I mean is that this was not just some small side quest, it was a collection challenge that could take hours to complete. So fans believed there had to be a secret payoff that made it all worthwhile. But sadly, the truth about the reward became one of the most infamous letdowns in Pokemon history. As it turns out, the only thing you unlocked after catching all 26 Unown was the ability to connect your Game Boy Color to the Game Boy printer. And from there, you could print tiny Unown stickers, something almost nobody could even use, since the printer was rare and unpopular.